Hello everybody, this is SashaMoniqueTalks. Hello my friends. So my friends, I am doing a laundry detergent review today. Today I have the Tide Power Pods Sport 25 extra large pack capsules. Okay, so I got this from my CVS and it was very reasonable because I had coupons. So this is supposed to be for it can be for all of your clothes, but you see the lady up here, she's running. You see the nice size of the pods or the packs or whatever they want to call it. And this is mainly for like if you sweat a lot, it's a stain fighter. It says Advanced Sweat and Stain Fighter. Okay, that's good. And it's 2.5 pounds. It's a 40 ounce. I'm going to read a little bit off the back. So I saw this at my local CVS and I said, let me go and try that and see how it is. Okay, they're just telling you how concentrated the packs are. A warning for children and pets. It may irritate eyes. And that's just about it on the back. Okay, and this is avoid breaking the packs. Okay. So this looked interesting. I always like these little containers. I don't know why, because it's always something that I'll store stuff up in this thing. Okay, so I tried it. Let me show you how the packs look. Open it up. Okay, I just had to turn it on. So look inside. Those are the packs. Wonderful. Now look, I like the size of this pack, and it has the compartment. I don't know if that's for the stains or what, but it smells so good. Now it's a similar smell to the Oxy that they have. It smells just about almost like it. It smells so good. So what I like about this detergent, y'all all know that I'm a thrifter. So when you thrift used clothes, it usually has like a musky smell to it. And when you get clothes that people have a dog or a cat, it's kind of hard to get those smells out. You have to try extra hard. They can come out, but you have to work with it. So here's a dress that I thrifted. Like a jacket dress. I thrifted, and it smells so good. Ooh, it smells so clean. It smells like the Oxy, but it's a little stronger. I think you will only need one of those packs. And let me see how many they tell you. Oh, okay. If you're using one extra large wash, they tell you to use 2 pods. Okay. Now with these pods here, I would tell you, you do not have to use those scent beads. It's just that strong. It's just as good. Okay? You do not need the scent beads if you don't, unless you just want to use it, but you don't have to use it. And I like how my clothes smell fresh. I actually hung it up to dry. It smells so clean. It smells so good. This dress is nice and it's bright. And If you see this at your local Walmart, Family Dollar, CVS, wherever you can find it, pick some of this up. You get 25 of those packs in there, those pods in there. So it's a good buy, because if you only have to use one, then it's a great buy. Okay, and the usual price, I think it was 14 or 15 something, and I had a $4 off coupon. So that was a good buy. Okay, so this is it for my review. The Tide Power Pod Sport Advanced Sweat and Stain Fighter. So thank you for watching this review. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye now.